that about right? Yeah, I think that's about right there. Then you can go jump down at the speed and then I can jump you up like that. See, that feels better than the other ones. Maybe this is about all smaller. Got voltage on there. This is the pavement destroyer. It just doesn't care about pavements really. Just draw 1300 watts off the back, just like the 1300. Oh, the cross is busy elsewhere. Oh, that view's lovely, isn't it? Hopefully the police don't stop us. That's what I'm most worried about. See the police. Oh, who's this? These guys are fucking big bikes. Yeah, fucking name. Sorry to anyone with a big bike, I'm just not a massive fan of them. Right, we got to get there and back before the sun's down, and it looks like it's on its way down, doesn't it? But I cut it too short. We'll find out. Well, it's a steep old hill this is. I'm not even on the throttle. Oh shit, slow down. So when I got the back brake in the reverse, and I do not like using the reverse as a brake. Some scary ass shit that is, boys. But where are we even going? Going on the pavements and the alleyways and stuff like that. Ooh. As this is the pavement stomper. Curb stomper, whatever you want to call it. We're going to piss some people off, aren't we? I had a pop, but I think we're alright. All nearly crashed. Just looking at that well. I think we're alright. Whether there's some kind of pop though. Seems to be all good. It's just such a fun little bike. Why hasn't everyone got one of these? Oh, I forgot my thingies attached to it. My tin. When I got that Velcro lighter, I'll show you that. Hang on a sec. I'll show you this thing. I want some Velcro lighter thing. Don't forget me lighter. You know that. So it's done. Back onto the curb, I think. Man and his dog. Onto the other curb. Switch curbs again. Oh, this bike is sick. I like that it's so compact. The little Orion's going to be even better as a little curb. I don't know if I should. Maybe I should keep known as the little. I think this is called the Death Machine. I don't know what this is called. I forgot the name for this. But obviously it's changed so much. It was the MXR 1500. Now it's just whatever the fuck it is. I don't know. Oh, someone behind us in the car, I think. Let's go on that. Let's do what this does best. Go on the curb. The suspension's next to nothing on this because obviously I'm going along curbs and I've got upside down front air forks and a rear fucking 280mm. I've got like 300mm travel on this thing and I'm going along pavement, so yeah, suspension is just absolutely outperforming itself. If anything, it's probably too good, you would argue, but I kind of like it. I like a bouncy bike. I don't get why people don't like bouncy bikes. I'm not a racer or anything, I'm just fuck about, don't I? Curbs. Make sure I don't get run over. It's just sick, I don't even know where we're going. Wow, this bike's sick, isn't it? Oh, maybe I'm going to go too mad. Maybe I do. Wow, this is sick, this is. And what's the point in having one of these bikes if you're not going to actually do this? He liked it. He liked it. Of course he did. I mean, we're so quick, cars aren't even keeping up with us. I don't know if this road's just 20 or not. It probably would explain things. I think it says it up there. Oh, this is where I saw the police last time. Kept on. Kill it on the apex, why the fuck not? That's what I love about it, just like, it's like curb time. Like, this isn't a problem at all. Even on the in-between bit, on the grass like verge, like, because of the suspension and everything, we're sweet. Curb time. Road time. Curb time. Oh, someone on the curb. Right, where we going? We're gonna fuck about over there. It's just superior, there's nothing in there, it's fucking sick. I don't know why everyone's not on. Oh, mud. Oh, didn't have my guards on. That was a bit fuck silly. Took the mud guards off, it's still a bit muddy. Oh, I'm going that way. Police car. We see that ambulance. This way. I don't even know where we're going, guys. Black cigarette. We haven't lost much voltage for distance, I'd say. The best thing about this, just go have a look quick. The thing about this bike, from the smoker's point of view, Brandon, I hope you're listening there, mate. Velcro, mate. This out's got to be done. It's all good. Let's go for a little bit back. See where we're going. feel like you go this way. Probably. What's that weird clicking noise? That used to be alright. Mind you, because a motorbike's got an engine, obviously, you normally probably hear. You don't tend. Oh, it's the back end. Making some noises. Seems to be alright. I'm just kind of ignoring any problems with this bike, focusing on my new one, but we've got to give us a proper test ride, don't we? And then been out on it. What's the point in having it? You know what I mean? If I'm not going to curb it. Oh, that truck's coming up here. Well, that could be detrimental to my bike. There's a way through here somewhere. I think it's there, but I can't remember. I don't think so. I think it's down here, dude. Oh no, I don't remember now. Oh, it's that way. So if we wait here, you're getting caught in this bike. Fuck on here, I don't even know. So this coil. I just need a new bike, I think. I feel ruined it. We go again with the other petrol conversion. Fun bikes. If anyone's still watching, fun bikes, you just fucking rip off bastards, don't you? Don't like to explain.